Pakilala po.
Good afternoon or good evening.
Kinabahan na.
Hi po, good evening. My name is Josh from Village People Magazine. So anyone can answer naman po. This is my question. Is Pars Maison introducing any collections, collaborations, or limited edition pieces specifically for the BGC opening?
Own brand?
Yes.
I'm planning, pwede ba? Ayoko eh. Hindi ba ito? Wait. Actually, pwede ba? Ayoko kasi mag-jeans. Pero sige, sasabihin ko na lang. Ano ba? Rare collection? Or own brand of personal? Okay. So sige, to answer your question, I'm planning to have our very own leather lotion. Kasi dami nagkahanap sa amin. So yan, nasa planning stage na. Actually, meron akong samples. And about sa bags naman, so we plan to have more Hermes inventory, exotic leather pieces.
Follow-up question? All good. Alright. How about next question, please? Good, sir.
Good evening po, I'm Jeff from Kapamilya. If Pars Maison could leave one message to its customers kasi open this PGC branch, what would that be and why does it matter today?
Message for customers naman.
Message for customers. To our old clients and to our possible new clients, so sa old clients muna, thank you for supporting us since day one. And you are very welcome here. Of course, alam niyo na kung gaano kasikip yung nauna nating showroom. But that's very meaningful showroom. And to our new clients, you are welcome here. Kahit wala po kayong gustong bilhin na bags, pwede po kayo mag-try dito, pwede kayo mag-visit, take a photos, tag us on social media. Bawal ma-intimidate dito sa showroom na, dito sa headquarters namin. Kasi sabi ko nga, dito, community tayo.
And they need to, of course, feel the experience
Yes.
here at Pars Maison. Any follow-up question?
Follow-up question po. Sino po yung pinaka-memorable na celebrity customers? Sino po yung pinaka-last?
Ooh, okay.
Okay, pinaka-memorable, parang lahat sila. Pero mabanggit na lang ako ng reason.
Some few.
Some few celebrities. Of course, Mika Salamanca, Bianca De Vera, yung Midi. Sobrang memorable. Ang pangit kasi nung nung vlog na yun. Sobrang favorite ko yung vlog. And Casey Hangasa.
Kasi pumunta, kasi nag-travel
Oh, nag-travel kami. Bumili talaga siya ng bag. Sergey Din, of course. Very memorable. Grabe yung views ng kay Sergey Din. And yung Barbie Imperial also. Sobrang sweet ni Barbie. Bumati pa siya ng birthday sa akin today. Sobrang
Pinuntahan ko
sweet
din siya,
niya.
ma'am, no?
Pinuntahan ko rin si Barbie. Actually, lahat sila memorable. Si V. Cortez, siya yung pinaka-unang nag-trending, I guess. No, sorry. Si Angelique Manto.
Ooh.
Sila Angelique Manto and David Kison, sobrang supportive nila. Even before pa kami nag-vlog. Actually, nagbigay din sila ng idea sa akin before na bakit di kayo mag-vlog like Boss Toyo? Pero yung idea nila about consignment, yung magbibenta ng bag. So, naalala ko lang, kinoment din nila yun sa amin. And sana makapunta sila today. And yung pinaka-last was Ma'am Elma, Sir Gaben's girlfriend.
Okay.
Si Raymond Gutierrez pa pala. Sobrang memorable din. Kasi na-speechless ako kay Raymond.
Miss Gian, ito, follow-up question siguro in relation to what Sir said. Marami kang na-feature na celebrity on your content. Can you consider now yourself as a celebrity?
No.
Why?
Business owner.
Business
I'm
owner.
not a celebrity.
So you're leaning talaga on the business owners.
Business owner na content creator ng business owner.
Next question, please. Anyone?
Pero thankful ako kasi ang daming kumukuha ang collaboration.
Ooh.
Sabi ko nga, no, hindi naman po ako influencer or celebrity. Kaya minsan nagta-turn down ako kasi...
Different brands, right?
Yes, maraming nagtatap. But thank you. Thank you.
Enrique Ray po. Enrique.
Oo.
Dahil dyan, Enrique, ay wala.
Sabi niya parang Liza, sumobra na. Joke lang yun, joke lang.
Ikaw naman, Mr. Ricky, hindi ka ba na sa Starstruck?
Pwede daw ako sa Batang Quiapo.
Bakit nga?
Oo. Ako daw yung tita na nagmamani Lodge.
Parang wala naman sa itsura. Mr. Ricky, hindi ka ba na-intimidate? Kasi dati, ang asawa mo, talaga, partner mo, business partner mo. Pero ngayon, content creator na din. Nasa Starstruck. Katabi mo talagang, mas mako-consider natin na minamahal ng mga viewers. At ganun din ikaw, Mr. Rick, minamahal ka na din ng mga viewers natin. Tama po.
Actually, nagulat nga rin ako sa mga nag-hi sa kanya. And sila, nakikita rin lang nila ako, bigla-bigla na lang daw nakatitig sa kanya. Kasi ang ganda naman, di ba?
Araw-araw nila laban first.
Tapos, kadalasan pa pag nasa labas, nakikilala na rin ako. Ang pag-approach sa akin, ikaw ba yung husband ni Miss Jean? Yun yung pangalan ko ngayon, yung husband ni Miss Jean.
Alright, so thank you so much for that answers. Any question from, hello ma'am? From Cinema Bravo, tama po.
Hello po, Rog from Cinema Bravo. Medyo na-discuss mo naman pa Happyaw yung story design, yung experience. Siguro, pa-add na lang, what can customers expect with regards sa exclusive offerings? Meron ba?
Exclusive offers.
Exclusive offers.
Thank you ma'am for that question.
Exclusive offers.
Kung
Parang
meron.
mahirapan sa
Kung
Ako may
meron.
exclusive offers
Oo,
sa mga
ma'am.
clients.
Yes, we
Actually,
don't.
panday,
Ah.
panday lahat ng treatment namin sa customers.
Sige po.
Follow-up question. ma'am.
Siguro ma'am, do you have lineups na ba na naka-schedule for new celebrities na bibili? Meron na ba? Na pwedeng...
Wala.
Hindi kasi planned yung mga celebrities talagang bumibili sila. So minsan nagugulat na lang kami magme-message sila.
Walang appointment ma'am talaga.
Wala Like yung kay Raymond Gutierrez, naganap lang siya na, do you have Kelly 35 na? Sabi ko, yes we have. And then nung afternoon, pumunta ko talaga siya kasama si Pabos Paraiso.
Galing.
So yun, kaya hindi siya planado talaga.
So either they're gonna message you on social media or may mga walking din po celebrity.
Yes, may mga walking din celebrity.
Nasa-surprise po kayo, biglang may
Of
mga kaso.
course, oo. Nasa-surprise ako. Parang kay Barbie, nag-inquire lang siya doon. Nasa Thailand ako. Kaya dineliver ko na lang nung pagbalik ko ng Manila.
Correct. So napaka-exciting kasi yung ibang mga celebrities talagang mas pupunta sila dito because of the bigger and of course more spacious location. Any more questions po from our media? Hello, sir.
Congratulations, Miss Gian. New day, new bag. My question ko, ma'am. Can you recommend a bag for the first time buyer na gustong bumili sa First Maison? And why?
Isa pa po.
Another.
Can you repeat the question?
Okay. Can you recommend a bag from First Maison na first time buyer na gustong bumili? Yeah.
And bilang expert, Miss J, when it comes to luxury bag.
So, kapag may nagka-ask ng question about a ring good investment for a first-time buyer, ang pinakauna mong tinatanong is what's your budget? Kasi mahirap mag-suggest if wala kang ibibigay ng budget. But if may budget ka, or like below 50K, siguro yung pinaka-first brand that you should invest in, siguro based on my experience na lang, yung pinaka-first luxury bag ko is Louis Vuitton. So, I think investing in Louis Vuitton is still good. And of course, Goyard. Nauso yung Goyard ngayon kasi it's very durable naman talaga. And very attainable yung price niya. So, Louis Vuitton, Goyard, actually YSL also is good. Yes. Siyempre, hindi ko isasuggest na mag-invest ka na, ma'am. Although meron kami mga client na first time magkaroon ng luxury bag, Hermes agad, nagugulat din ako na parang, wow. Kasi ako, nag-start ako sa Louis Vuitton muna Ano yun step by the step. Bago ka sumakses.
Follow-up question.
Gian, essential tips tips na lang na dapat tandaan for buying and checking box, fake versus original. Then, what are your top 3 personal favorites sa mga collection mo and why?
Tips before buying luxury bag, of course, know the sources. Ibig ko sabihin is, know the resellers, yung reputation ng reseller. So, sobrang daming nagbebenta online sa Philippines. So, ang daming scammers. So, make sure na legit yung kukunan nyo ng bag. And of course, second is dapat back up siya by a third-party authentication. So, even if back up siya ng authentication, dapat you do your own research as well. And like kung sinasabi din na aside from that, do your own authentication din. So, kumuha kayo ng second opinion, do second or third authentication. Kasi may mga lumulusot na nag-fake din even yung certificate.
And then, what are your top
Top 3
Top
in my collection. Top 3, siguro yung pang third, Chanel Classic Flap. Okay, yung Chanel Classic Flap kasi binili ko siya way back 2016 during our honeymoon in Europe. So nabili ko siya for around 200,000 pesos lang. Eh ngayon yung brand new na is 700,000 lang. So hindi ko siya ilalet go. And then yung second is Constance Intim Bag. Yung may malaking H because it's very versatile. So favorite ko siya. And yung number 1 is Birkin 25. My all-time favorite, Birkin 25.
Thank you so much, Lucia. Yes, go ahead.
Ma'am, since 5 years na po kayo, di ba? Paano nyo na-build yung trust ng customers nyo nung nag-uumpisa pa lang kayo?
Nung nag-start pa lang kami, ang hirap mag-build ng trust kasi wala pa namang face that time. So more on like boosting, ads, product posting. So para mag-build ko yung trust is dapat transparent ka sa clients mo. And of course, actually before, nagpaparate lang kami ng review sa Google. So isa yun sa naka-help sa amin. So if you check online, kami may pinakamaraming reviews online. So yun, naka-help siya sa credibility ng first site, even before pa kami mag-vlog. Again, being transparent and being honest to your clients.
Thank you, Lucia. Any more questions from all?